Alright, hey guys, today I'm vlogging with the Sony ZV-E1. I feel like a lot has happened in the last few days. First things first, let's change this. I feel like a lot has happened in the last few days that, it's really, I just feel like there's so much that's happened in the last few days. First of all, it's got really cold over the last 3 days. So we've had ice, we've had snow, and it's gotten really cold. Like we're actually in winter now. So whenever you have to go out with hand gloves on to keep your fingers warm, just know that winter has come. It's no longer winter is coming, winter has come. Last week, I was extremely busy. I think last week or like 2 weeks ago, I just finished some major work. It was very high pressure, high stakes, work that has deadlines and very high stakes work. And so I was really quite busy trying to meet up with deadlines. The deadline was on Friday, and I was able to pull it off basically, but it left me feeling a little winded and out of breath. You know how you feel like you've just done some major work and you need to catch your breath and you don't feel like doing anything else. Yeah, so that's how it felt. And since then, I've not really been able to. It's almost like, when you use all your energy to complete a task, and once the task is over, you don't have energy for anything else. Something like that. So when that task was completed, I just found myself like, I wake up in the morning with a plan, but then as the day goes by, by the time you're done doing all the regular stuff you usually do, you just realize that you're not really hitting it. So I've not been able to do anything. I've not even cycled. I've not gone to the gym. My house is a mess. My office is a mess. My car is dirty. There's so many things. I've not been able to create new content for YouTube. I'm not even listening to my audiobooks. I usually listen to audiobooks. I usually listen to podcasts. So I don't know if that happens to you, where you get busy with a particular task, a particular project, you put your all into it, and then once the project is done and everything is over, once you click that email and click send and it's gone, in the aftermath, that whole relief that you get just makes you feel like you don't have energy to do any other thing. I don't know if that happens to you, and if it happens to you, how many days does it usually last for? Today is Thursday, so it's been almost a week since that time, and I don't feel like I've accomplished much in this week since then. So I don't know. Anyway, today I decided that, okay, enough is enough. Let me do something positive with my day. So today I'm going to, first of all, I said I'll shoot this vlog because I want to really get into the habit of daily vlogging, inspired by Casey Neistat. And I'm also going to try to tidy up my space. This is my space. It's looking so messed up. Let me show you how it's looking. Feels very disorganized. I don't always like my space looking like this. That's what I'm going to do today. Tidy up my space, and I'll take you on the journey with me. See how I get organized, and maybe this will be a valuable vlog at the end of the day. All right. Sometimes when I'm trying to get my place organized, I'm confused as to how to start. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything gear and everything tech into one place. That's how we're going to start. And I'm going to put everything into this bag and I'll sort it out later. But as long as it's related to filmmaking, I'm going to put it in this bag. Just for a start, I'll sort it out later. So, lights, cage, all of this stuff, lens cover, battery, charger. Because my pocket 3 stays right here. Everything related to gear and tech. This cable. Oh, this is not exactly gear and tech, but just need to get everything organized real fast. This is from last week. The amount of energy drinks I took last week was incredible. That goes in the trash. See the rest of it there. Alright, so after about how many minutes? This is how my desk looks now. Clean, a bit tidy, but still have a lot of work to do. Because it's not just the desk I'm trying to clean up, but I want to clean up the whole space. Just trying to make sure that today is not like other days and I'm getting back into my grind, moving forward. So yeah, if you're watching, let me know what are some of the ways that you use to get yourself gingered, get out of a slump, especially after doing. It's not like you're not productive, it's not like you're not effective or hardworking, but just have those ups and downs where you just feel not as motivated as you should. So yeah, I still have a lot of cleaning up to do, a lot of clearing. All of this space is going to get cleared up. But right now, I have daddy duties. I need to go and pick up my son from school. So I'll see you in a bit. Stepping out. Said I was going to be doing a lot more vlogging with my phone camera. So I'm out now to pick up my son. Children are the least bothered people in the world. Nothing bothers them for too long. At what point do we stop being like that? At what point do we start taking things so seriously? Probably teenage years or something, because I don't know. Children, they're the ones really enjoying this life. It just occurred to me that sometimes one of the ways we get back into the groove and into the grind and get motivated is when we spend time doing things for other people in our lives. Could be our family members, our kids, our parents, could be strangers, a friend, whatever. Sometimes that's a very good way of getting out of a slump, a mental slump. Just, forget about yourself for a second. Go get something, for your kid at the store. Buy him a favorite book, some toys, or, send some money to a friend, or reach out to somebody, say happy birthday, make a call, that kind of stuff. I think that helps also. Let's go.